guys, it's me again. Sorry about my absence. Oh no, I just died! So basically today, if you do not know what is going on, today we are in the middle of nowhere and we are playing Don't Press the Button. And there are a bunch of bombs dropping on us. Oh my! This is how to escape from the bombs. Deliver the pizza. Okay, the pizza box. Okay. I need to deliver. I have to deliver pizza. No. Okay. We have 16 seconds. Yes, my pizza box. Oh, yes, baby, yes. 10 coins, baby. Woohoo! Oh, it's so tempting not to press the button. I swear to God, if you don't... Oh, snowball fight! Snowball fight! Okay, better get under here. Go! Throw it! Girl, please. Don't throw no snowball at me. Okay, I have to get away from this girl. Oh my gosh. Is my streak still empty? No. Good. Hey, girl, get away from me. Oh my gosh, I won! Woohoo! Go to one of the corners. Ah! There we go. No! I have to try again. Wait! We're not even in the game! Ah! Go to one of the corners. We're trapped in here! Ah! My gosh, you guys, we are trapped in here! We need a correct pad. No! I literally just blew up! Ooh, a diamond. We want the diamond. Ooh, I want the diamond. This diamond? No, it's not this diamond! Why do I keep calling them diamonds? They're pads. Okay. My diamond! Oh, come on, this girl already beat me to it. This one? Come on, baby! Oh, okay. What do we do now? What's our next challenge? The cake is a lie. What do they mean a cake is a lie? Money! Me want it! Jump. We gotta jump. Gotta jump away. Jump. We gotta jump away. We gotta run. I regret nothing. Well, better safe than sorry. That tornado could have eaten us. A noob. There's a noob. Oh yeah, baby. This noob is the bomb. Yeah, baby. This noob is the bomb. This is the bomb. What happened to me? I fell out of the noob's butt. We better go to the noob again. Oh, come on. This guy already collected the money. Don't touch the spikes! Jump! Yes.
Do we still have Spiky Wald?
Color the tiles, go!
No! I love this so much. Money! Diamond.
Say somebody press the button.
Find the correct pad. Okay, is it this one?
Yes!
Yes, I found the correct pad! Woohoo!
Okay, you guys.
What's a blow dryer? Oh, okay.
Blow, 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 blow.
We gotta blow, 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 blow. Why am I not going anywhere? Ah! Woohoo! I escaped. Or did I? And I think that is the end of our challenge. So, bye guys. I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And please share the video. And don't forget to watch my gaming duet with Mr. Bowtie. Bye!